Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. This saves time. Make sure the car supports Android Digital Key 2, 0 or newer, and that NFC and Bluetooth are enabled on your phone. Once done, update Android and charge above 50% so the transfer won't fail. Next, locate the VIN, dealership pairing code, or the OEM QR badge. You'll need it. Tap the CarMaker app or Settings Connected Devices Digital Car Key to start the secure key transfer process. You'll now perform the core exchange, provisioning the key. Open the CarMaker app or Android settings where Digital Car Key lives and select Add Key. The phone will ask to authenticate with your Google account, PIN, or fingerprint. Do that to confirm identity. Make sure the car is in accessory mode and follow the in-dash prompts. Touch your phone to the NFC pad or accept the Bluetooth pairing. Once keys exchange, Android will show key permissions and storage location. Review and accept. You finish by verifying functionality. Unlock, lock, and try a start within the expected range, or perform the required NFC tap at the car's pad. Make sure power reserve and emergency access are turned on in key settings so the phone can still act as a key when battery is low. If something fails, restart the phone, toggle NFC and Bluetooth, and retry. If issues persist, remove and reprovision the key after confirming the car's software is current. That usually resolves handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.